Okay, this is a derivative problem, and this time we're going to use the general power rule, or the chain rule, general power rule form, because we have a function 5x cubed plus 6 raised to the 5th power. So anytime I have a function raised to another power, a function inside of a function, so it's a composition of functions, I need a chain rule. So in this case, we have 5x cubed plus 6 raised to the 5th. So remember the general power rule. So if I have, if y is equal to g of x raised to a power, then the derivative works similarly to the power rule in that we bring down the exponent and subtract 1, multiply the exponent and subtract 1, and we keep the inside as is, but we have to remember that last step, the connection to the inside is the derivative of the inside. So in this case, if f is 5x cubed plus 6, f prime is, bring the exponent down, so 5, subtract 1 from the exponent becomes a 4, the inside remains, and then remember the last part is to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of 5x cubed plus 6. The derivative of 5x cubed is going to be 5 times 3x squared, so that'll be 15x squared. And plus the derivative of 6, the derivative of 6 is 0, so that derivative is just 15x squared. And since we're multiplying 5 times the quantity 5x cubed plus 6 to the 4th times the quantity 15x squared, the commutative property says that I can multiply these in any order that I would like. So I'm going to go ahead and move that 15x squared to the front so that I can multiply it by the 5. And 5 times 15 happens to be 75x squared times 5x cubed plus 6 to the 4th. And again, notice I could multiply the 5 and the 15x squared because 15x squared, there was no additional exponent outside the parentheses there. It was just a single 15x squared. So those can be multiplied. But note, I cannot then take and multiply the 75x squared into the 5x cubed plus 6 because I'm not just multiplying by 5x cubed plus 6, I'm actually multiplying by 4 of those. So it's not going to work. The distributive property does not work when we have a quantity raised to an exponent like 5x cubed plus 6 is.